Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, these are some of the wool that we took from the second floor. These are the 2x4 that we are going to transport or transfer to the Usman Masjid in Corway, New Jersey. And these are some of the wool here. Yeah, and this is the rampo here that we have been putting down. These are the rampot we're going to take to Corway Masjid also. This is the block we are going to use for 2 or 3 courses up to prevent the water from coming on the wall rather. And this is the wawa here. Alhamdulillah, the wawa that we took from up there. This wawa we are going to transport it to Usman Masjid in Corway, as it was discussed previously by the contractor and Malana Ibrahim Pate. So alhamdulillah, the work is going on gradually. As you can see the brother up there, this is how they are bringing down the wool. See one brother down here on the first floor is giving the wool from there. This is Caravan of Mercy jet. This is the 504 jet for the Caravan of Mercy operation here presently, realizing and waiting for any takaza to be forfeit. I think as you can see, this is how the brother are bringing the wool down. The last man here will get it from the second brother, and then the third man is up there, as you can see far off. He's taking and giving it to this brother, and gradually he will give it to the other brother down here, and then he will take it from there, and then he will put it down here. Alhamdulillah, this is how we have been doing. As you can see, the brother from up there, he's giving it to this next brother here, and from there he's giving it to this next person. This is how you can see all this wool, the one down there, close to 1,500 to 2,000 pieces, and also 1,000 pieces of wawa here also, and some 200 to 150 pieces of 2x4 here. This is how all these items have been put down here. Alhamdulillah, we say Jazakallah khair to all our brothers and sisters of the UK that is contributing towards the success of this project. All of this is part of the 2x4, as you can see down there. This is the front view of the Markaz here. This was the area that the children were using that got burned. These are all the bomb bed they were using, it got burned. So it is beyond repairing from the late. Yes, you can see also. This was the area that got burned. And this is the main masjid here. This is the Qibla area, as you are seeing from up there, down far up. Alhamdulillah. That is the first floor there, as you are seeing there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Shaykh Abdullah Essa speaking from Monrovia, Liberia. This is Markaz Masjid Bilal Masjid that is constructed by the Caravan of Masjid UK and supervised by the Caravan of Masjid Liberia here. Alhamdulillah, we are on the ground floor. As you can see here, this is the staircase, and this is the main masjid down there, as you can see. All that is the main masjid, and we are on the right side here on the staircase. We are going towards the first floor. So alhamdulillah, the tiling have been done on the staircase of the first floor here, as you can see down here. So this is the staircase here. This is the first floor present day what we are using for the tahfiz, where the children are doing the memorization of the Quran, as you can see there. Here, this is where present day the children are using the HIF student. You can see some of the items there. The wheelchair, the balance one that we have not been distributed. So now we are moving towards the step of the second floor. This is the second floor here. We are moving on. As you can see, they have taken the stick out in the first floor. The second floor, the stick have been pulled out from there gradually. And you can see here now, this is the present condition of the second floor now, where they are trying to do some cleaning up. Yes. These are all the planks. This is the bathroom area here that they have cleaned up. We will be doing the cutting of this area, as you can see here. This is the first. Under the staircase, they have not taken out the stick. Maybe the end of this week they will be taken out. So you can see all here. This is the second floor here. We are on. You've seen all the area here. Alhamdulillah. See, this is the banister, the outside of the first. You can see. These are all the stick we are going to use to transport it or transfer it from this Bilal Masjid up to the Usman Masjid in Corway, New Jersey. So this is the small room here, as you can see, where downstairs we are using for the office. And this is the small room. The door have been faced for this room, and they are about to start the plastering of this room, so we can put some of the material that we have here. So this is the area here. Alhamdulillah, this is the present condition of the second floor rather. These are all the wood, the wawa, and what have you we have here. So this is how we are taking the wood from up and carrying it down. As you can see, one person is here on the second floor. It will be given to the next person there on the first floor, and the first floor person will give to the person way down there, as you can see. And this is how they would have been transported from up to down. This is the wawa there that we are carrying to Umar Masjid. And these are all the wood packing there, as you can see. And they are trying to pack another one here downstairs. So from here we will be going on the main floor up. They are all part of the stick.
Who tell you to take that care there? You, why you play with that care for? I will punish you.
Yes, as you can see there, these are all the wood there. Being transported up here. So this is the way going on the present day, the last floor here, where the J being cash. We just put this roof over the staircase for the rain, the water not to get in the masjid. So as you can see here, this is the up step here now. As you can see here.